Hey, what's going on? Rakeem Madison here, and on today's video, I'm going to be breaking down a Facebook ads hack in 2018 that's literally going to allow you to create effective and predictable ads, right? Now think about that. If you had ads that you literally can look at something, model it, and then put those ads, similar ads, right? The intent here is not to just swipe and deploy, right? And I'm going to get into the content, so just stick with me to the rest of the video. And if this is your first time here, be sure to smash that subscribe button if you want to learn how to build a long, sustainable business that will eventually give you the freedom you deserve. Also, tick that bell icon so that anytime I release any new videos, you get them. All right, so with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump over to Facebook, and I'm going to break this down. All right, so Facebook has a new feature that will allow you to look at your competition's ads. All right, now some of you guys probably say they already had a similar tool, but I think this one is a lot more effective because you can literally see what's working for them. And one thing that I've noticed over time is that if something is working, a person is going to continue to run those ads. And this kind of goes in experience with myself as well. I had a campaign, right? I think I spent about $200 or $300 on that campaign, but that $200 or $300 turned into over $1,200, right? So how did I do that, right? I started modeling other advertisers that I would see on the platform, right? So let me actually just show you an example. So matter of fact, I want you to actually do this with me, as I'm doing it, right? So what I want you to do is you can either do this with a product, or you can do this with, big names inside of your niche. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a couple people who I know run a ton of ads, and then I'm going to break this stuff down. All right, so I'm going to type in Tai Lopez right off the bat, right? We know Tai Lopez runs a ton of ads on social media. So I'm going to use his page first to kind of break down this new feature that Facebook allowed you to do. All right, so Tai Lopez, right? All right, so what you're looking for right here on his this is his actual Facebook fan page / Facebook business page, okay? Now, when you get here, you see all these tabs over here. You want to go to the last tab. It says Info and Ads, right? So we're going to click on Info and Ads, and then we're going to go right here to where it says Active Ads from Tai Lopez. Let me go ahead and read this. Facebook is showing you ads this page is currently running to provide more transparency into the advertisement, right? So these are ads that they're currently running. So what did I just say? If they're continuing to use those ads are working. That's what successful people do. When they find something that works, they keep doing it. All right? All right, so let's take a look at a couple of his ads that he's running. All right, so Up Your Game with my social media marketing agency course includes bonuses, limited spots, start your agency now. And then boom, he gives you a call to action to start your agency. All right, so that's just to kind of give you an example. So if you're somebody who's in a similar niche, right? Maybe you're doing social, you have a social media marketing agency, right? Maybe you want to market the way that he's marketing, right? That's pretty simple right there. Up your game with my social media marketing course. So that's kind of like straight at whoever he's promoting. All right, so let's go down a little bit more. Let's see what kind of other ads he has. All right, Tai Lopez. People often say money isn't everything, and that's it. It's impossible to buy happiness. To a certain extent, I agree, right? So there's his hook, right? That's what he's saying. People often say money isn't everything, right? That's going to kind of get you to kind of feed into whatever he's saying. And then, of course, Tai Lopez, he has the vehicles in the back, right? So that catches your attention, right? He hooks you with the first word, the first line there, and then he catches your attention with the cars. Now you're tuned into his video, you're listening to what he has to say, and then boom, he gives you another call to action inside the video, and then of course it says learn more right there. All right, now let's keep scrolling down a little bit. Here's another ad. Failing in life gave me an advantage, right? And then of course you're gonna be like, yeah, exactly. You see what he did? You're probably gonna be like, how? And you see he put that how with a question mark. So he knows who it is that he's targeting. He knows that certain questions you know, certain things that he puts, people are going to be wondering, how is it possible, right? So he already understood that. All right, so let's go to another ad. Warning, my social media marketing agency program isn't for everyone. So he's kind of right here. He's to me, it looks, you know, kind of like a like he's trying to not target the wrong people, right? He's not looking for everybody to join his social media marketing agency. He's breaking down the type of people that he's looking for, right? Hoping to attract those people, right? So this is just kind of gives you ideas on how you can align your content. The intent here is not to just swipe what he has and deploy it, right? And just use exactly what he has and then create a whole new ad of yours with what he has. The intent here is to look at what hooks people, right? What works, and then kind of alter your advertisements in a unique way. All right, so let's look at another channel that I know runs a ton of ads. So Sean Cannell, he's actually a YouTuber. He's a YouTuber here on YouTube. All right, so this is his fan page right here / business page. I'm gonna go over to it and I'm gonna do the exact same thing. Okay, there we go. All right, so there we go again. Info and ads right here. All right, so it says active ads from Sean Cannell. Like I said, he runs a ton of ads. I always see his ads, and of course he's doing organic YouTube traffic as well. All right, so let's kind of go down and see what we can do. So let's say you are in the video marketing niche. I mean essentially that's more like, yeah, I guess you could say video marketing niche. And you want to start, you know, maybe promoting a product. Maybe you have a product that is based off of video marketing. You can look at some of his types of ads that he does, right? So for example, that seems like more of a promotional one, so I'll kind of skip down to his regular ones. Okay, so it says big news. Are you a content creator, YouTuber, entrepreneur, or business owner? Registration is now open for Grow with Video Live, right? So this is probably something, an idea that this is like, you could probably come up with an idea. Okay, I want to host an event, right? I can kind of use an ad that's similar to that, right? And make it all about what I'm doing, right? So that's just to kind of give you an idea, right? Because remember, you're not wanting to just copy and paste this. You want to make it unique to yourself. All right, so let's keep going down a little bit. These ones look like he's giving away a training. I'm looking for one in particular that I see all the time from him. Okay, so this one right here is time to play chess. So essentially what he's doing here is he's having people go to his master class, right? He put together a master class that you can watch, which that master class was very valuable. I'll be completely honest right there. I have to give credit where credit is due, right? So essentially he's bringing you to a master class, you watch the master class, and then towards the end of the master class, yes, he is going to give a call to action to pick up his I want to say it's his video marketing course. All right, so that's essentially what he's doing. He's providing value on the front end. You know, I talk about this all the time, and then at the end, he's giving a call to action to help you further. All right. All right, so let's see if he has any more ads, just kind of give you an idea. Okay, so this one is more of an informative ad, right? So content value versus production value. So this is, like I said, this is all based in the video marketing niche. So that if this is something that interests you, you're gonna hit see more and you're gonna read a little bit into it, and then of course, boom, he links to his masterclass once again, because those are things that he covers inside of his masterclass. So it's just all about, like, I don't want to go through every you know, business page on here, but the whole concept behind it is, you know, looking at since you now have access to look at their actual ads all at one time, the ones that they're actively running, which you know those are the ones that are working, then now you can literally go and just kind of see, okay, this is what they're doing, and you can actually go ahead and funnel hack them as well. So literally see how their funnel is set up, right? So you can kind of tailor your funnel in a similar way, right? Maybe you even buy their product to see, okay, what are their upsells? What can I do, right? It's all about just like hacking what other people are doing, right? And it's not to copy, it's just to model what they're doing to make your campaign a whole lot more successful. All right, so that's what we're doing here. So real quickly, I just want to recap real fast and show you exactly what you would need to do. All right, so go to home, and then when you go to home, you go to search, and then you type in either the name of a product, right? For example, you can actually use ClickBank products, right? So all of the products on ClickBank are not going to be on Facebook. You're probably not going to find all of them on Facebook, but the more popular ones, you can go in, type the name of the ClickBank product into Facebook, and then when you do that, if they actually have a Facebook fan page set up, then you can go there and see what type of ads they're running on their own page, and then see how you can, if you're actually promoting for whatever product it is, then you can see, okay, this is how they're promoting it. Okay, so this is probably how I can do it. I can take a different angle at it, right? Or you can use a big name in your niche. So whether that's dating and relationships, that can be affiliate marketing, that can be health and fitness, that can be green products, whatever your niche is, you can type a specific brand or product, maybe from ClickBank, or you can put in your actual a big name in your niche, niche. Forget it. All right, so yeah, that's essentially what you're doing, right? You're not swiping and deploying, you're swiping and making it unique to you. Okay, so I hope I shared some valuable information with you, something that can help you start writing more effective ads and making them more predictable in the case that when you put those ads together, you know that there's going to be some good benefit from it, because you're basically modeling someone who's already successful, right? And you're not going to do exactly what they're going to do, but it's always going to be unique to you, because people connect with one person a whole lot better than they would connect with other people, right? So for example, basically what I'm saying is, let's say you watch me all the time on YouTube, right? You enjoy my content and you just really connect with me, but somebody may be putting out similar content, but when you watch their content, you don't feel that same connection with them. You just connect with me. And that's basically what I'm saying here. That person may be making millions of dollars, right? Or that person may not be making millions of dollars, but when they see your advertisement, they may just connect with you, right? They may just connect with you, and they may buy from you. So that's essentially what I'm saying there. All right. So I hope I provided you some value. As I said before, if I did, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Also, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Tick that bell icon. And with that being said, I look forward to seeing you in the next video, my friend. Peace.